In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix it when the buttons on your Xbox controller aren't working, even though you can connect it to your Xbox. So the first thing I recommend you do is to press and hold the X button on your controller for about 10 seconds. What this is going to do is essentially power cycle your controller, and sometimes this can fix your issue. So it's been about 10 seconds, so I'm going to release and then I'm going to press the button again to connect it to the Xbox. Now, if that doesn't work, the buttons still aren't working, but you can connect, the next thing I recommend you do is to power cycle your Xbox. So to do this, we're going to press and hold the power button for about 5 to 10 seconds until it's fully turned off. And once it's fully turned off, what I want you to do is unplug the power cable from the back of your console for about 10, 20, 30 seconds before going ahead and plugging it back in, and then booting up your console again and trying to connect your controller back to your Xbox and see if the buttons work. Now, between these two steps, this should fix your issue. And once it's fixed, what I recommend you do is to go to the Xbox settings and update your controller, because when your controller isn't up to date, it can cause performance issues. So hopefully this video was helpful. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.